What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can get money on your Phantom wallet. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. For that, as you guys can see, I'm on my Google now. I will open up my Phantom wallet. And this is how the Phantom wallet will look like. Here, if you want to add your money or if you want to buy cryptocurrency, just have to click on this buy section and then select whatever the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Suppose you want to buy this, USDT, just click on that and then enter the amount you want to buy. Now, suppose you want to buy $100 worth of, a USDT, click on next, and then you can pay using MoonPay or Coinbase or RAM. Totally depends upon you. However, if you want to get a deposit from any other wallet, in that case, you just have to come to receive, search for wallet address, whichever you want. Suppose you want to receive Solana, click on Solana, and there you go. This is your wallet address. Someone can send you using this one. Just share the one, share your wallet or recipient wallet address to someone, whoever wants to transfer the Bitcoin to you or transfer the Solana to you. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.